This is probably going to be the most boring Christmas ever. For those who don't know me, my name is Chuck. Today I'll be painting a Christmas graffiti piece. If you're here for the final result and not really are interested in the painting process, welcome to the edited version of the video. But if you are a regular watcher and you enjoy watching my raw videos, then I'll put a link in the description so you can watch the full raw video as well. So if I don't see you in that video, enjoy this one. Merry Christmas. In the middle there's going to be a Homer Simpson in Christmas clothing, in Santa Claus clothing, and then there will be Merry Christmas. Alright, I guess this is kind of boring for you guys to watch, but you get the idea. Homer Simpson over the grid, and I'll see you back when this sketch is done. So this is the sketch. Not too happy about the face. I think it's gonna be a super ugly Homer Simpson, and I do know the internet is not forgiving. Bigger parts first, as I'm kind of lazy. Maybe I should not tell this, and probably you're gonna unsubscribe now, but I'm one of those guys that is not really into Christmas. Alright, that's Homer. Now let's start doing the background then. For those who don't know how to fade, just by holding the can like this, that's how I do it. Or you can do it by simply holding the can further away from the wall. I really want to use like a fat cap, but it gives too much dust, especially white on black. Moment you make the piece or you break the piece. I'm gonna give it a little shadow. Whoa, that was a really terrible shock. So I looked a little bit to the left, I saw my backpack hanging here, and I thought someone was standing next to me. Not sure if this is gonna be a good idea, but I want a little inline in the shadow. Shit. Lighting as if people are still awake. Now I got a yellow middle finger. Before I'm going to do the second outline, I'm gonna... No, wait! Some shadow. Standing in front of the wall. Doing it in meters as I'm from Europe, so it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7-ish. Like 7 meters long. This part is definitely like 2 meters high. This would be like 180. I guess someone has to clean up this mess. Anyway, I'm done. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you guys in the next video, and hopefully in the next raw video as well.